Hello there everyone. Thanks for joining me today. My name's Rebecca and here on my channel I love to talk about patterns, sewing garments and fabric. Today I've got a little inspirational video for you with some tapered trouser patterns that I've been looking at recently. Two of these I've actually purchased. I have not made them up yet, but I've purchased ready to try out. And one of them I'm considering purchasing because I really like the pattern. There's a really good variety of different types of tapered trousers here, so hopefully something to suit everyone. So if you're looking for a new trouser pattern, perhaps you'll find it in the list today. This is my second recommendation of tapered trouser patterns. I haven't repeated any. I will link my first list and my first video of tapered trousers down below. I've also made quite a few other recommendations or inspirational, aspirational videos for particular groups of patterns. If you go to my channel, you'll find them organized in sections and hopefully you can find something else that you're looking for. So, recommendation for tapered trousers number one is a jeans pattern. This is the pattern that I'm considering buying. I really like the size range. I like that it's photographed with a whole lot of different bodies and body shapes. And this is the Brooks jeans by Helen's Closet. I'm going to read the little description for everyone because I think they describe it best. The Brooks jeans are a non-stretch jeans with a classic cut. Not too tight and not too loose, these high-waisted jeans offer a comfortable fit that will serve you for years to come. The Brooks legs have a slightly tapered shape that straightens out at the hem. The View A legs are cropped just above the ankle and the View B legs are hemmed at the upper thigh. Both views offer a zipper fly, front and back pockets and an optional coin pocket. Brooks also features belt loops, a back yoke and a button to close the waistband. Never sewn a pair of jeans before? You've got this. Our detailed instructions will help you every step of the way. And Helen's Closet patterns are known for their excellent instructions. So if you're thinking of a tapered trouser or specifically a jean, this might be a good option for you. My second recommendation is a pattern that I have bought and cut out and I'm going to sew in the near future. It is the pleated trousers pattern by the assembly line. The pleated trousers are cropped with a dropped crotch. The pattern offers flexibility with either a high or low waistband as well as regular or straight fit waist. They feature front slant pockets and a left hand side zipper. And in the pictures, in the images, you can see a few different variations of the pattern. I've chosen this one because it's just a little bit different from anything else I've got, and I kind of love how wide they look up the top and then they taper quite a bit, which I think might suit my shape. So fingers crossed. I always find the assembly line pattern instructions absolutely fantastic. The next tapered trouser pattern is from a pattern company I've not used before. It's called the Sewing Workshop. This trouser pattern is called the Getaway jeans. Getaway jeans, slim tapered jeans, have a fly front zipper, front pockets and diagonal darts below the zipper. They sit at the natural waist with a back yoke and elastic waist back. So if you like flat at the front and elastic at the back, these are a good jeans or trouser option for you. Ankle length with double fold cuff detail and optional seam finish details at the fly, front and hem. The next tapered trouser is called the Miller trouser by Paper Theory. This has a good size range, available in sizes 6 to 28. The Miller trousers are a relaxed and easy to wear trouser that comes with the option of an elasticated or tie waist. They are designed to sit high on your natural waist above your belly button. The silhouette is full around the hip with a pleat in the front leg for extra fullness and deep side pockets. There is a dart in the back waist for extra shaping. The leg tapers inwards towards the ankle at the hem, creating a streamlined, slightly carrot-shaped silhouette. The finished length is just at the ankle bone, but they look great rolled up too. Yeah, I really liked some of the extra small shaping details in this pattern, and they look very nice casual as well as a little bit dressed up, a little bit more formal. The next pattern is from Caledonia Dreamin. It is the Cobalt shorts or trousers pattern, and it goes from a European size 32 to a 52. So it's an okay size range. I really like this pattern because it has so many good options. It's got a button placket rather than a fly. It's got pockets, and the trouser shape itself has quite a range. It's got quite a wide, almost bell leg, and then quite a slim tapered leg, as well as the shorts option. So the Cobalt trousers or shorts have the particularity of having no zip or fly. It fastens through an opening hidden in one of the pockets. It has a very high waist. It is fitted at the top and very flared at the bottom of the legs. All the finishes are thoroughly thought out so that it is as beautiful inside as it is outside. For the shorts version, it will look best with a fabric with a bit of rigidity. And for the trouser version, you can use the same kind of fabrics, but also more fluid fabrics for an elegant or draped look. The next pattern is a pattern company that's also new to me, but I have actually purchased it because I really liked the shape and the options here. This is called the Clyde Work Pant sewing pattern from Suzann. Suzann actually has a small range of patterns, but I really like the diversity of those patterns. Okay, so the essential classic forever pant. Its deep open pockets are cut a little wider than the pant leg, giving plenty of room to hold a myriad of important things like your cell phone, car keys, pens, snacks, small animals. In a soft linen, these feel seasonless and relaxed. In a heavier canvas or wool, they are indestructible. The Clyde Work Pant is a great all-purpose pant with large crescent-shaped pockets spanning the side of the pant leg. Unique 3-panel design results in vertical seams along the center front and back of each leg, in addition to the inseam, allowing for limitless fit adjustments and style changes. Use this classic building block pant pattern as a jumping off point for a variety of wardrobe staples that will serve you well for years. I think this is a really good option. I also noticed Suzann, if you're very keen on their patterns, they do bundle patterns together for a bit of a bargain buy. The Nina Pants pattern is by Tessuti Patterns. The Nina Pants features a classic slim and tapered leg with a faced waistline that sits on the lower waist. So there's some very high, some natural waist and some lower waist patterns today. Design features include flat front, back darts, stitch down facing, side invisible zipper, and twin needle finished wide hem with side splits. I did quite like the look of that finish. French Navy Patterns have the Langston trousers. The Langston trousers have a mid-rise, relaxed fit that is designed to sit a little below the natural waist. They are slim through the hip with a roomy leg that tapers slightly toward the ankle. The comfortable cut features an elasticated waistband and both button or zipper fly front options. Their vintage-inspired carpenter details lend a practical utilitarian aesthetic, which, by the exclusion of some of the pockets, can also be toned down to a more minimalist look. Recommended fabrics are medium weight woven fabrics such as linen, cotton twill, denim or corduroy. I really do like the look of this trouser, and I like that it looks extremely comfortable as well. The next choice of a tapered trouser is tapered, but also it ends up being a little bit gathered and quite flowy. It's actually a knit pattern. It is from Liberated and it's called the Arenite pants pattern. The Arenite pants are the luxuriously deep pocketed slouchy pants of your dreams. The pattern includes 3 leg finishing options, a knit cuff, an elasticated woven cuff, or a dressier hem. It also includes a view for knit fabrics with 2 cuff options for perfect, effortless loungewear. Okay, my mistake, so it's for both wovens and knits. What great versatility, I love that, and it certainly looks really, really comfortable. I have 2 patterns from the Sewing Revival. The first one, last time I did a recommendation video for tapered trousers, someone did recommend this pattern, which is the Sidewinder pant. And I looked at it and I totally agreed that they were a terrific option. So let's have a closer look. The Sidewinder pant by the Sewing Revival. A simply constructed pant with a side seam that wraps the leg in a diagonal line to flatter and streamline. The angled seam encompasses the easy flow front internal pocket. The Sidewinder pants are pull-on with minimal back gather and easily constructed without buttons, zips or fastenings. Yes, please, what a great recommendation. With a slightly tapered leg, these pants are designed to be worn just above the ankle with either a standard fold up or deep gathered hem. The Sidewinders look just as flattering in the full length trouser option, a perfect pattern for your first trousers, ideal for confident beginners. Well, that description and the inspirational images have certainly drawn me in, and I'm considering this as another tapered trouser option. The last one for you today is called the Hummingbird pant by the Sewing Revival. A go-anywhere pant to dress up or relax in. Easy construction with angled side pockets and gathered elastic and drawstring waistline, ensuring a flexible and comfortable fit. The slight leg taper ensures a flattering look with 2 different style options. Style A, leg hem finished in a stretch cotton lycra band to allow the pant to be worn at 3/4 length or full. And style B, simple turn under hem that can be worn folded up or long. And there's an optional leg trim. So this pattern was designed for either mid-weight wovens or jersey knits again. So it's really versatile again, because you could make it up in a lot of different fabrics and have your trousers have a lot of different purposes. I hope you found something in that list of tapered trousers that meets your requirements today. I'm already rethinking my choices. There are so many great options there for comfort and for style. Okay, let me know if you've already made any of these patterns and if they worked out for you. Have I still missed something off this list of tapered trousers? I really do love a wide leg trouser and a relaxed trouser, but I've just had a hankering recently for something a little bit more polished, and I feel that a nice refined tapered trouser will do the trick. Thanks for watching today. I look forward to hearing from you soon, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now.